रियासती हुकूमत ने मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबलों से दस्तबरदार होने वाली मिस इंग्लैंड मलामा के इल्ज़ामात की तहकीकात की हिदायत दी है। इस सिलसिले में सीनियर IPS ओहदेदार शिखा गोयल, रीमा राजेश्वरी और साइबराबाद DCP साई श्री को तहकीकात की जिम्मेदारी दी गई है। बताया गया है कि हैदराबाद में जारी मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबलों के दौरान मिस इंग्लैंड की जानिब से लगाए गए इल्ज़ामात का रियासती हुकूमत ने सख्त नोट लेते हुए उनकी फौरी तहकीकात की हिदायत दी है।
Being out in India, I'd never experienced going to somewhere like that before. Obviously, there's a very dramatic class system out there, and I hadn't witnessed, firsthand that sort of poverty before. And, getting into coaches most evenings and being driven through the streets of India, it didn't sit well with me. Seeing these people lying on the streets, seeing these people that are living in slums. This is real life. This isn't a movie. But beyond those walls, when someone's literally begging out for help, I just at one point wanted to take my plate and give them my food, give out a reaching hand on what I can do to help. It's not right that we're all having a dinner with dignitaries one evening, and there's clearly favouritism amongst some girls because I didn't get the opportunity to speak about my beauty with a purpose once, or what I'm campaigning for. I wasn't there to entertain conversations with dignitaries that have helped the system. I'm there to talk about what I'm championing for and what I believe in and what I believe is right. And I wanted to help, so I gave out my hand. And then I got told that I could not communicate with this person because they are classed as lower and I have to get back onto the coach. That is not what Miss World stands for me. So there's girls in this system that obviously do embrace it all, which is fantastic. They want the sparkly dresses, they want the sparkly crowns. But I learnt very quickly, this isn't why I embarked on Miss England, and this is not why I'm out here. I'm not staying true to myself, and I'm going against everything that I advocate for. If I'd stayed out there any longer, I was conforming. And there's a lot of girls out there that do feel the same as myself. And there's girls, like I said, that are out there that want to embrace that, and that's fine. But if I can share my story, and if I can share this now, and hopefully encourage and give a voice to the voices that feel voiceless. But I'm not saying that Miss World isn't a system that can't fit into this world. Excuse the pun again. But it needs to evolve and it needs to change for it to fit in today's society.
जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल नेशनल अवार्ड विनर डॉक्टर मीर जवाद जार खान, जर्मन ट्रेन्ड सीनियर ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन एंड डायरेक्टर, माहिर डॉक्टर्स डॉक्टर वासिफ आजम और डॉक्टर भारवी चंदूरी, सीनियर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट और दीगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं। रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल। वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर।